Today I am talking about Newton's law of cooling. The Newton's law of cooling says that d theta by dt is equal to k into theta minus theta naught. D theta by dt means what? Theta is body temperature. That means when the metal is heated, that metal temperature, whatever it attains, that is theta. Theta naught is air temperature. So d theta by dt means how the metal temperature is changing with respect to time. How the metal temperature is changing with respect to time is equal to some constant k into theta body metal temperature minus theta naught air temperature. This is what is Newton's law of cooling. Now let us take a problem regarding this. The problem is like that time t is equal to 0, body temperature is 80 degrees centigrade. After 20 minutes the body cools down to 60 degrees centigrade. Now the question is, what will be the body temperature after 40 minutes? Air temperature is given to be 40 degrees centigrade. Now let us write the formula of Newton's law of cooling. What is Newton's law of cooling? D theta by dt is equal to k into theta minus theta naught. D theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta naught. What is theta naught? Theta naught is air temperature, that is 40. Substitute. Theta written as it is, k is as it is, d theta by dt is as it is. Now d theta divided by theta minus 40, bring this theta minus 40 to denominator, dt into k I have written. So d theta by theta minus 40 is equal to minus k into dt. Now let us integrate on both sides. If I integrate d theta by theta minus 40, it is equal to minus k into dt. Now, what is integral of d theta by theta minus 40? What is integral of dx by x minus 40? Log of x minus 40. In the same way, integral of d theta by theta minus 40 is log of theta minus 40, because power of theta is 1. So therefore it is log of theta minus 40, that is equal to minus k, take it outside. Integral of dt is t plus some constant log c I have included. Now if I want to remove this log, what I have to do? I have to take it to the base e. So e to the power this. Here also e to the power minus kt, e to the power log c. So what is happening? E log always cancels. Remember the important point, e log always cancels. Theta minus 40 is equal to, now e to the power minus k into t. Here e to the power log c. E to the power a plus b is e to the power a into e to the power b. Same formula, e to the power minus kt. Here e to the power log c. Now observe, e log cancels. E and log cancels. What remains? C. That C I have written. E to the power minus kt is here. Now let us call this as equation 1. Now what is given? When time t, body is now allowed to cool. When body is allowed to cool, time t is equal to 0. What is the temperature theta? Theta is equal to 80 degrees centigrade. So in this equation, t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 80. Let us substitute. Here observe, theta is equal to 80. I have substituted. Here theta is equal to 80. 80 minus 40, that is equal to c into e to the power minus k into t. What is the value of t? 0. In this equation, theta minus 40 is equal to c into e to the power minus kt. T is equal to 0, you substitute. Theta is equal to 80. So e to the power minus k0, e to the power minus k0, what is the value? 1. So what is remaining? C only remains. C only remains. So C is equal to 80 minus 40, therefore C is equal to 40. Now let us substitute the value of C is equal to 40 in this equation 1. What is equation 1? Theta minus 40 is equal to C into e to the power minus kt. Now substitute theta is equal to 40. Substitute c is equal to 40 here. Here substitute c is equal to 40. Theta minus 40 is equal to c is 40 into e to the power minus kt. Now again what is given? Body cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. That means put t is equal to 20 here. Put t is equal to 20. Theta is equal to 60. So theta is equal to 60. Observe, theta is 60. I have put 60 minus 40 is equal to this 40 into e to the power minus k. T is 20 minutes, because after 20 minutes, T is equal to 20, theta value, that is body temperature, cools down to 60 degrees centigrade. So 60 minus 40 is 20, that is equal to 40 into e to the power minus 20k. Now I have to remove this e. To remove this e, what I have to take? What I have to do? Take it to the log on both sides. 20 by 40 is equal to half. Take it to the log on both sides. You will observe that here. So what you are getting? 20 is equal to 40 into e to the power minus 20k. So 20 divided by 40, that is equal to e to the power minus 20k. 20 by 40 is half. Half is equal to e to the power minus 20k. So now let us cross multiply, right? E to the power 20k is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Now I have to remove this e, means take log on both sides. So log e 20k is equal to log 2. This log e cancels. Then what remains? 20k, that is equal to log 2. So what is the value of k? K is equal to log 2 divided by 20. Now what is my equation 1? Theta minus 40 is equal to c into e to the power minus kt. Now take log on both sides. Log of theta minus 40 is equal to log of c into e to the power minus kt. Now log of theta minus 40, that is equal to log of AB. This is A, this is B. Log of AB, what is log of AB formula? Log A plus log B. Log C. Log B means log of e to the power minus kt. Log C plus log of C plus log of e to the power minus kt. That is what I have written. So log of theta minus 40 is equal to log C, write that as it is. Log and e cancels, minus kt remains. Now here in this equation, what I am doing? Substitute for C. What is the value of C? C already you know. C value we have determined. C value is 40. In the previous step, I have determined C value as 40. So substitute C is equal to 40. K. What is the value of K? Here, what is the value of K? Log 2 by 20. So substitute K is equal to log 2 by 20. So log of theta minus 40 is equal to log 40 minus log 2 by 20 into T. Now question is, when T is equal to 40 minutes, if I substitute T is equal to 40, that means after 40 minutes, what will be the body temperature? Body temperature means theta. Remember, theta is always metal temperature or body temperature. Theta naught is air temperature. So when T is equal to 40 minutes, what is the body temperature? Theta. So substitute T is equal to 40 here. If you substitute T is equal to 40, right, then you will get log of theta minus 40 is equal to T here. So substituting T is equal to 40. 40 into log 2 by 20, it is a number. Log 40, it is some number. Subtract. So totally this RHS will become some number. Remember that. So therefore, what happens? So when T is equal to 40, log of theta minus 40 is equal to log 40 minus log 2 by 20 into this 40. What is that? From where? Here. I told you. T is equal to here. T is equal to 40. I have to substitute. I have substituted. So what is this? This is some number. Let us call this number as say some P. This number you will get say some 100. Let us call that as P. So I have written that P. Right? P. Now in order to remove this log, always I have told you several times, to remove log, take it to the base e to the power log of theta minus 40 is equal to this RHS is P, say, or e to the power P. Now e log cancels. Theta minus 40 is equal to e to the power P. So therefore, what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to e to the power P plus 40. What is the value of P? P means this RHS. RHS number, whatever you are. Suppose if you are getting P is equal to 100, if you simplify the RHS, if you are getting 100, put P is equal to 100. If you are getting say 80, put P is equal to 80. So when you simplify that, you are getting the value theta is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, let us